Okay, Steve, I thought I would just make this quick video to show you how to find similar courses at a California community college. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website, which is COCI or COCI. This is the curriculum inventory for California community colleges. And up here on the right it says programs. You can find programs or you can find individual courses. So let's click course, and then what we want to do here is we want to find, we have all this search criteria. Really, most of this stuff you don't need to even worry about. The main thing that you would want to worry about if you're trying to find a customer service course, non-credit to customer service course, is under the CB22 drop-down menu, just type in or select short-term vocational, and then you can skip the basic skills and the transfer status, and then go here where it says top code. I don't know if you know what a top code is. TOP stands for Taxonomy of Programs. Every course at a California community college has a top code. It just means the type of program that that course fits under. So if you click here, you see this huge list, and we need to go to customer service. If you keep going through all this, I think maybe I might have already skipped it. Let's see here. Looking. I found this earlier really quickly, but it's near, there it is right here. So 0518, that's customer service. Click that, and then voila, you get all of these courses. Most of them are inactive, means they're not actually currently being offered, but here's Glendale College customer service. It's OBT 050. If you click 2, you'll see more courses. Most of them again are inactive. It just means that the colleges have decided no longer to offer them. But we've got here at San Francisco, we've got customer service principles, BOSS 32502, and then LA City College, we've got customer service skills, Voc Ed 239 CE. So that's how you would find whether a course exists. Now, if you want, well, let's go back to Glendale College again. So we've got Glendale College OBT 050. Now, if you'd like to learn more about that class, what you can do is you can go to this website. This website's really cool because it has links to all of the curriculum websites for the different colleges, or most of them anyway. Some of them it doesn't, like Allen Hancock isn't there, American River College isn't there, but Glendale Community College is. And then from here, conceivably, or supposedly, you can find the course outlines for all their courses. So right here it says non-credit, and then OBT I assume is Office Business Technologies, and again let's go back here, it was OBT 050, so we're looking for OBT 050, which is right here. Click it here, and let's, hopefully this is customer service. And sure enough, it's customer service skills. So again, if you want to find whether a course exists at any community college in California, you can simply go to COCI and then search for it this way. And then once you've found it, if you want to learn more about it, you can always go to this website, and hopefully it has a link that's live to that college's curriculum inventory, and then you can look up the course outlines for that class, and here it is. So we know that this course is a total of 32 hours, and here are the expectations, exit standards, which would be similar to our course our student learning outcomes and our objectives. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful.